We are discussing class 8 maths, exercise number 8.3, question number 10. The population of a place increased to 54,000, increased to 54,000 in 2003 at the rate of 5 percentage per annum. Find the population in 2001. Second question, what would be its population in 2005? First, let us see the given information and understand the question and what they are asking us to find, that we will see later. Population of a place increased to 54,000 in 2003 at the rate of 5 percentage per annum. In 2003. As per the question, find the population in 2001. 2001 will come before that 2003 only. We have to find here how much population is there. In 2003, the population is 54,000. The population of a place is 54,000 in the year of 2003 after increasing at the rate of 5 percentage per annum. Population is increasing 5 percentage per annum, it is increasing. We don't know that in the year of 2001 how many people are there, how much population is there, we don't know. Let us see that. Already we know that population increasing, bacteria, depreciation of any item, there we can apply compound interest. That formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 all to the power of n. That formula application is there. This is comparing to 2003, 2001 will come first. Let us suppose that we don't know that the population of 2001, let us assume the population as P. It's like a principal starting amount, starting. Now this is the final amount you treat. This is the final amount after adding the interest. Like that, if we compare this one, this is the application of compound interest only. The rate of interest will be R. So on this 5 percentage increasing will gives the amount 54,000 rupees. If we compare this one with our compound interest formula, I am discussing the first one solution. First solution, what is that? We don't know that 2001 population. We have to find, let it be P. If you know this one, then only we can apply 5 percentage concept, then we will reach this. That is why we are assuming this one as population P. Let the population population in 2001 be, how much it is there, we don't know. That is why we are assuming it as principal, starting value P we are taking. Okay. Next, one more thing is given, rate of interest 5 percentage it was given. Rate of interest capital R is equal to 5 percentage. Next, finally we reached, where we reached 54,000 rupees. And comparing to 2001 to 2003, how many years? 2001 to 2002, we don't want this, just I wanted to find out the time gap. 2001 to 2002 is 1 year, 2002 to 2003 another year. Totally how many years gap? Number of years n is equal to 2 years. 2 years. Next, finally it leads to 54,000. A will be 54,000. We know that. What we know, let us write. As per the compound interest formula, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. If it is increased, we have to write here plus. If it is decreased word is there, we have to write here minus. Since it is increased, population is increasing, so we can write plus R by 100 all to the power of n. This is our formula. Substitution of all the values whatever we have here. A value is 54,000. Let me write here 54,000. P value starting, we don't know. 2001 is the starting and ending year is 2003. We don't know the population, that's why we are assuming it as P. P value will be P only into 1 plus rate of interest R value is 5 divided by 100 all to the power of n. All to the power of n is number of years will be 2 years. 2 years gap we have taken. Later on cancellation process 5 one time, 5 2s are 10, 5 0 time 1 by 20. 1 plus 1 by 20 whole square we got here. Let me write p into 1 plus 1 by 20 whole square is equals to 54,000. 20 into 1 is 20 plus 1. 21 by 20 whole square will come here. That only we are writing. Now 54,000 is equal to P into 20 into 1. 20 plus 1. 21 divided by 20 whole square. 21 divided by 20 whole square we can write. Further what I am writing 54,000 equal to P into something square can be written as that value is multiplied with itself. A square can be written as A into A, B square can be written as B into B. Which one square is there? That one is to be repeated twice and it is to be multiplied with itself. Power 2 is there. So you can take that number 21 by 20 twice you can take it as per squares and square root topic. We know that. We want only P. This and this are to be transposed. When you are transposing, what will come? Denominator will go to the numerator. Dividing values will multiply and they will go to the numerator. So numerator what is there already? 54,000. This 20 is dividing. If you transpose, it will be multiplied with this. This also dividing. Again, it will be multiplied with that. 21 is in the numerator. When you are transposing, it will goes to the denominator. This 21 and this 21 will go to the denominator to divide this value. What is there? After transposing these two, what is left here? P. Next cancellation process is there. With the 3 table, let me cancel. 21 3 7 times 21, 3 18 times is 54, and for triple zero 3 into 18,000 will give 54,000. Okay, next 3 7 times 21, 3 6 are 18, triple zero. After that what is left? 6,000 into 20 into 20 we can write like this. Let me write 6,000 into 20 into 26 into 2 12, 12 into 2 24. 3 zeros, 2 zeros, totally 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 49 is equal to P. P value only we need to find. When you are dividing this value with 49, you are going to get the required answer. Let us divide 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 49 how many times? 240. Let us see that 49 how many times? 49 5 times, 5 nines are 45, 5 fours are 20 plus 4, 245. It is crossing 240, that is why 49 4 times. Let us see, 4 nines are 36, 4 4 16 plus 3 19, 196. 4 times is how much? 196. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 3 minus 9 is not possible, 13 minus 9 is 4, here 0. 44 is not divisible by 49, take down the 0, 440. 440 means 49 10 times 490, 49 9 times 9 nines are 81, 39 into 4 36 plus 8 441. It is crossing that. So 49 8 times, let us see, 8 nines are 72, 8 into 4 32 plus 7 39, 392. So 8 times is 392. Okay. After that 10 minus 2 is 8, 3. 13 minus 9 is 4. 3 minus 3 will be 0. 48 is not divisible by 49. We can take down this 0. 480. 480 means 49 9 times is 441. 49 10 times is 490. It is crossing. So 49 9 times only we are going to get, that is 441. 10 minus 1 is 9, 7 minus 4 is 3, 4 minus 4 is 0. 39 is not divisible by 49. One more 0 is there here that you can take down. That is 390. 49 8 times is 392. 49 7 times we have to find. It is crossing that. That is why I am going to 49 7 times 7 nines are 63. 28 plus 6 34 343. 7 times is how much? 343. 10 minus 3 7. 8 minus 4 is 4 0. Remainder. Next take down the next one is 0. 470. 470 means 49 10 times is 490. 49 10 times is 490. 49 9 times is 441. 441. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9. 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. 0. 29 is not divisible. Nothing is there to take down. You can take point 0. 290. 290 nearby numbers. 49 5 times is 245. 49 6 times is there, not there. 6 9 is 54. 24 plus 5 29. 294. It is crossing. That is why we can take 49 5 times only. How much? 245. So 45 is the remainder. If you consider the point, 0 will come. 49 9 times is 441. 441 9 times. So that roughly we can write this number as 48979.59. After that, so many digits are there. That implies P is equal to 48979. How many? P refers to number of people, population. How many people are there? If you wanted to tell, this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 48,979 people are there. We can tell that. We cannot tell that 48,979 people and 59 people are there. Like that we cannot tell. This 0.59 is no value. That is why if you wanted to tell the exact number, or approximately if you wanted to tell 48979, or you can tell that after that what will come? 80. 79 after 80 will come. That approximately. This refers to population. That is why point after decimals are there, that will be taken to plus 1. So 48979 plus 1 will be 48980 approximately. Hence population in 2001 was how much population? 48,980 approximately. Approximately. This is the solution of our first part. Find the population in 2001. 2003. In 2003, 54,000 is there. Before that, it will be less than 54,000. How much it is that? 48,980. Next, let us see the second part. Second part is what? What would be its population in 2005? In 2005, here it was given. In 2003, 54,000 it is there. In 2005, they are asking 2003, and they are asking about 2005. 2003 population we know as per the question. As per the question, 2003 population is 54,000. 54,000. 2005 population is how much? And there is a constant increasing ratio, a rate percentage. Increasing rate percentage is 5 percentage only. At this time, this will be P, principal. Now we have to find out the amount, and rate of interest will be R. I am comparing with the compound interest concept only. Previous year 2003, and next upcoming year is 2005, that we are going to find now. So as per the second calculation, what are the given values? Let us write. Given P is equal to 54,000. Rate of interest R is equal to same rate of interest means rate percentage. How much percentage is increasing? 5 percentage it is increasing. It is treated as rate of interest. Number of years N is equal to 2003 to 2005, 2003 to 2004 1 year, 4 to 5 another year. Totally 2 years gap is there. N is equal to 2 years. We know that how to get this idea, what is the relation among all these PRN. This idea you have to get it. I am comparing with the compound interest concept only. That is why we know that A is equal to P into, since the population is increasing as per the question. Here they are telling only increasing, so we can write A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 all to the power of n. This concept only we have to keep in our mind. Okay, let me keep this formula inside the box. After that, direct substitution only. A value. What is the value of A? We don't know that. We need to find is equal to P. P is 54,000 into 1 plus rate of interest, that is 5 by 100 all to the power of n. Number of years will be 2 years gap, 2003 to 2005. So 54,000 into, this is 5 cancellation, we can do it. 5 one time, 5 20 times, 1 plus 1 by 20, 20 into 120 plus 121 by 20 whole square is as it is 54,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. We have to do it, and let us do the cancellation. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 you can cancel, and the next 540 is divisible by 2. Let us see that is it divisible by 2. Yes, 2 1 time 2, 2 27, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 1 4 means 14, 2 7 times, and for the 0 0, 2 into 270 times is 540. Again this 270 is divisible by this 2, 2 1 times, 2 1 time is 2, 2 threes are 6, 1 remainder, 1 0 means 10, to 5 times 135. What is left here? Let us write what is the remaining. 135 into 21 into 21, 21 into 21, 441, 441. Let us do the calculation. 135 is multiplied with 441. 1 5 times 5, 1 3 times 3, 1 1 time 1, 4 5 times is 20, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14, 4 ones 4 plus 1 5. Again with this 4 also you are multiplying this same number, you are going to get 540 only. No need of doing the calculation again. 5 3 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 9 5 3 5. How much you got? 5 9 5 3 5. This is the A refers to here. What is this here? In the year of 2005, population is 59,535. You can write that. Hence, the population in 2005 would be, as per the question, you can see that it is the information given in 2003. We are asked to find 2005. For this 2003 is the main concept. Based on this 2003 only, we are finding the past, that is 2001. We are finding the future year, that is 2005. So 2003 is the base. So would be past, future. Future means 2005 is the um, future. So it would be how much? 59,535. Population will be this much. So this is the end of the solution of question number 10. Question number 11. Let us see. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5 percentage per hour. Per 1 hour, 2.5 percentage increasing. Let us observe this word increasing. So rate of interest R is 2.5 percentage. Since it is increasing, plus we can take. Already we know that compound interest concept is applicable for increasing and decreasing concept, and when the rate of percentage is given, rate percentage is given. Now count of bacteria is that per 1 hour 2.5 percentage increasing is there. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours, after 2 hours, at the end of 2 hours, for population after 2 years, before 2 years, like that. Here per 1 hour, per 1 year, per 1 year is r, per 1 hour here it is represented, by hour. So time is also represented by hours only, hour. So it showed in hours. This is also showed in hours. If the count was initially means starting. Starting means principal always. The p value is given as 5 lakh 6,000. It was given ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 5 lakh 6,000 is the initially means starting. Usually, as in our concept of compound interest, initial means starting. We are taking that one as p. So here p value is given and r is given. Time is number of hours. N value is 2. Let us write the solution given. Starting initially, how much it is there? This much it is there. So p is equal to 5 lakh 6,000. Next, one more thing is given. Rate of 2.5 percentage. So r is equal to 2.5 percentage per hour. Per hour it was given here, per hour. Next, at the end of 2 hours, after completion of 2 hours, the number of hours will be n is equal to 2 hours. What they are asking us to find out, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at that. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours. At the end of 2 hours means, let us assume that at the end of 2 hours, it is after completion of 2 hours, how much it will be there. So a we need to find. Starting it was there this much. After completion of 2 hours, and at the rate of 2.5 percentage increasing, I am keeping upward arrow. After increasing at the rate of, after 2 hours at the rate of 2.5 percentage increasing, what is that final amount? Final is a. So this principal will come, this increased amount also will come, that will be treated as a. So a is equal to question mark. What is the relation among all these? We know that the formula is a is equal to p into 1 plus. Since it is increasing, let us observe here, it is increasing means you can take plus. If it is decreasing, you can take minus. R by 100 whole to the power of n. Since it is formula, let me keep box. A value, what is the value of a? We don't know, we need to find. So that is why a will be a. P is 5 lakh 6,000. 1 plus r value is 2.5. 2.5 divided by 100 whole power n. N refers to 2 here. Let us do the calculation. 5 lakh 6,000 into 2.5 4 times. 2.5 4 times means 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. This refers to 5. This is 5. Totally 2.5 4 times is 10. 2.5 40 times, 10 is increasing 100. So 2.5 40 times only 100. 2.5 one time, 2.5 40 times is 100. 1 by 40 is that 40 into 1, 40 plus 1. 41 by 40 whole square. After that we can do the calculation. 5 lakh 6,000 into something square is there, that one we can write twice. 41 by 40 into 41 by 40. Let us do the calculation again. Cancellation process is that this 0, this 0, this 0 cancel with this 0. What is left in the next page? Let me write. A is equal to A is equal to 5 after what is there after the cancellation process. 060 is left. 060 is left into 5 after 060. 41 into 41 is left. 41 into 41. When we are multiplying 5060 with 41 into 41, we got 850, 850, and the next 5860 is there, divided by 4 into 4 is left here. 4 into 4, 4 into 4 is left. We can see here this 4 is into 4, 16. 3161.6.25. roughly approximately point after 25 point after 5 if you are finding you can go to the next number. So point after less than 5 is there, this is 2, less than 5 it is there. So that is why we can write 531616 approximately, approximately only we can write. Final conclusion line, hence the count of bacteria, it is a count of bacteria only at the end of, at the end of 2 hours is how much? 5,31,616 approximately. Question number 12. A scooter was bought at 42,000 rupees. So we purchased the scooter for how much amount? 42,000 rupees. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8 percentage per annum. So per 1 year, the rate is depreciated. Depreciated means decreasing. When we are using any item, the value will be decreased. Here it was decreased. How much percentage it was decreased? At the rate of 8 percentage per annum. So here R value is 8 percentage. We purchased and we are selling it. After 1 year, what will be the cost? After 1 year means they are asking about to find out the future. So this is the initial amount. You can treat this one as P. And after 1 year, how much it will be there? That we should find out A. That we will find now. Let us compare this one with our compound interest concept only. Solution. What is the initial amount? That is 42,000. Let it be P. P for principal starting amount, that is 42,000. Next, rate percentage, it was given as 8 percentage per annum. R is equal to 8 percentage per annum. It was given here. N is equal to, N is equal to, here after 1 year, N refers to number of years. How many years? 1 year. N refers to 1. They are asking us to find its value after 1 year. So A is equal to question mark. Let us find. Okay. We know that, we know that what is the relation among all these? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 or minus R by 100. Here it was given that depreciated means decreasing. Decreasing always will be, you should take minus symbol only. If it is increasing, you can take plus R by 100 all to the power of n. The formula change only in the sign, that is plus and minus. If it is increasing, you can take plus. If it is decreasing, you can take minus. A. A value we have to find. That is why I am writing A as it is. P. P value is 42,000. 1 minus R. R value is 8 by 100 whole to the power of n. N is 1 only. Let us do direct cancellation here only. 2 table or 4 table, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, this 2 remainder 4 5 times, 2 by 25 is left. Next step, A is equal to 42,000 into this 25 into 1, 25 minus 2, 25 minus 2 is 23 divided by 25 all power 1. Something power 1 is there, we have to write it only once. In the next page, A is equal to 42,000 into 42,000 is multiplied with 23 by 25 all power 1. That will be written only once. That we have to write it only once. With the 25, if we cancel, let us do the calculation here. 5 table, 5 5 times 25. 5 how many times? 5 8 times 40, 2 remainder, 2 0 means 20, 5 4s are 20. For this double zero, double zero. Again ending with 0 and this is 5. We can cancel with 5, 5 one time. 5 ones are 5. 3 left, 3 4 34, 5 6 are 30, 4 remainder, 4 0 40, 5 8 times, and for this 0. 1680. How much is left? A is equal to 1680 is multiplied with 23 by 1. 23 by 1 is 23 only. Whenever in the denominator 1 is there, 23 by 1 is nothing but 23 only. Suppose 2 by 1 is there 2, 3 by 1 is there 3. What is the numerator? That will be the answer. So 1680 is to be multiplied with the 23 with the 3, 30, 38 times 24, 18 plus 2, 20, 3 plus 2, 5, 20 times 0, 28 times 16, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13, 2 1 time 2 plus 1, 3. Addition 0, 4, 6, 5 plus 3, 8, 3. So 38,640 is the depreciated value. Okay. Hence, its value, scooter value after 1 year, after 1 year is how much it will be there? 38,640, because the rate is decreasing year to year, the rate will decrease. You can observe starting rate is 42,000 we purchased for this. After completion of 1 year, this we will not get the same amount, less than that only. At the rate of 8 percentage depreciation is there, how much you are going to get after sell after 1 year? So you can get 38,640 rupees if you sell that scooter after 1 year.